Hi everybody, Miscellaneous here and welcome back to my channel. This is where I take you to see offbeat, interesting and quirky tourist attractions. Now today I've been to the Grant Museum of Zoology, which is in central London and is part of the University College. In it you will find a massive collection of zoological specimens and dissection material as well. Do come and take a walk in my shoes and I'll show you a collection of primate skeletons. Really, when you see them, you'll think they resemble a band. You almost look at them and expect them to start singing a tune and playing their instruments. 95% of animal species are smaller than your thumb, so I'll take you to the micrarium. We'll also take a look at their famous jar of moles. Then we'll see my favourite, the penis worm. That would appeal to me. I've got a lavatorial, carry-on sense of humour. Anything to do with tits, bums or willies makes me laugh. Don't forget to give me a like, hit subscribe and click on the notifications bell. I will see you in the video. Now this is a skeleton of a quagga. This is the rarest skeleton in the world and only 7 are known. The front of the animal had zebra-like brown and white stripes, but the hindquarters were plain brown and more like a horse. Genetic analysis has supported it being a subspecies of the common zebra, as opposed to a distinct species in its own right. Now here is the penis worm. Its correct name is Priapulida, so named because it resembles a phallus. An infant koala. Here we have mice skins, a student notebook and frog dissection, and jars of terrapins and lizards, amongst other things. We have a jar of anoles, not to be confused with arseholes, and also jars of hermit crabs and assorted snakes. Butterflies displayed here. Seahorses and an otter. Wasps and other insects. A tarantula. Really, this place is not for you if you're squeamish. Eggs and heads. Internal organs and brains. Lovely. a chimpanzee and a gibbon, and they remind me of animals playing in a band. The primate to the right looks like he's playing with some kind of makeshift didgeridoo with a bow, and the one on the left looks like he's bent down, hunched over a keyboard. This looks like a bat. Now we've got fish at this end, including stingrays and other flatfish. Hey, hey, he's a monkey. A dragonfish. Here's a guitarfish. You can see why he gets his name. Back to mammals. A dog's brain and eyes. Nice. Hello, mate. We have a primate hanging around. Now, this is the museum's famous jar of moles. They sell t-shirts with sketches of this jar on it. I think they also sell tote bags as well. Do check out my blog. There's lots of info about the Grant Museum on there. Back for another gulp at the Quagga. Now, this wall contains jars of mice skeletons. I found it very Andy Warhol-esque. A jellyfish, an octopus, and a snail. leeches and worms. A sheep's brain with tapeworm and a tapeworm head model. You know, this place is both educational and a tad gruesome too. Here's a clam. No, not a bearded clam, you mucky buggers. And an ammonite fossil. A cabinet of squid, and this whole museum has a musty smell about it. But then I suppose specimens suspended in formaldehyde aren't exactly going to smell like Chanel No. 5 now, are they? Here's the micrarium, which opened in 2013. Now, these slides are checked out by students just like library books get checked out of a library. It's where tiny specimens are displayed. These include beetles, a whole squid, and legs of fleas showing muscles. Okay. I have to say, this section was bloody interesting. Here's the vain old tart, trying to do a selfie in the ceiling mirror. Now, the museum was established by Scottish anatomist and zoologist Robert Edmund Grant in 1828 for use by students. It has been open to the public since 1996. Now, I will always tell you to come and take a walk in my shoes because I'm obsessed with shoes, especially gorgeous high heels, but when I'm out blogging and vlogging, I have to be practical. Taxidermy birds. This museum is free to visit and is certainly worth an hour of your time. Terrapins, you've got dragons, and a cobra skull, and the spine hair is the spine of a snake. Here we have a flying frog, and a hairy frog. Back to the quagga again, and here's a model of him. Look, you can see the distinctive zebra stripes all over his head. Little Miss Pervert just had to look at the penis worms again, and this is a fossil penis worm, which is the oldest specimen in the museum. It is 500 million years old. I'll leave you with a panorama of the museum, and here is the Super Dean sitting down. He's seen it all before, but he did wonder if founder Robert Grant is a long-lost relative of his. Thank you for watching, and I do hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment telling me what you thought, and you might want to tell me where you'd like me to visit next. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel and click on the notifications bell. Come and see me soon for another miscellaneous adventure. Until next time, ta-ta for now.